Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to on find my device in realme narzo 50A prime phone. So let us start our video. You have to see here. We already have realme mobile phone and this type of icon shown in your mobile phone. You have to see here. Firstly, you have to move up and see this type of app icons shown in your mobile phone. You have to see here. Then you have to move up and you have to firstly click on that setting icon. You have to see here setting icon, so click on here. After clicking on here setting icon, you have to see there was many more options shown in your mobile phone, like that. You have to see here. Firstly, you have to move up and see there was many more different options shown in your mobile phone. So you have to firstly click on that security option. You have to see here security, so click on the security option. After clicking on the security, you have to see here this type of app icon shown in your mobile phone. You have to see here. So after that, you have to scroll down and click on the find my device option. Find my device is already off. If you want to on this, so you have to click on here. In this way, find my device is on in your mobile phone, so it means that will helps you to locate your device remotely. If your mobile phone will lost, that will help you to find your mobile phone and keep your data safe. So in this way you have to on find my device. So I hope this video helps you, so please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video. We will meet you soon with next video. Thank you.